combining RPA and IoT for smarter workflows. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) uses software robots to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks. These bots mimic human tasks, like data entry and email replies. They help organizations to streamline operations and reduce errors. The Internet of Things (IoT) refers to a network of devices. They are physical, embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity. This allows them to collect and exchange data. IoT devices can monitor real-time conditions, provide insights, and enable predictive maintenance. The intersection of RPA and IoT. IoT collects and shares data. RPA is the engine that processes and responds to it. They create a closed-loop system. IoT devices provide real-time inputs. RPA bots act on those inputs to run automated workflows. The benefits of combining RPA and IoT. Enhanced efficiency. IoT devices generate vast amounts of data in real time. By using RPA, businesses can automate data analysis. They can then execute tasks based on the insights, without human help. Improved decision-making. IoT provides real-time data. RPA enables quick execution. So, organizations can make faster, informed decisions and implement changes immediately. Cost savings. Automation reduces the need for manual labor, while IoT ensures resource optimization. This combination minimizes operational costs while maintaining high efficiency. Scalability. Both RPA and IoT are scalable technologies. As businesses grow, the integration can easily accommodate increased workflows and device connections. Error reduction. RPA removes human errors in repetitive tasks. IoT provides accurate, real-time data. Together, they provide a robust system for error-free operations. Predictive and proactive operations. IoT sensors detect anomalies. RPA bots can act on this. They can trigger maintenance requests, alert stakeholders, or reroute workflows. Applications of RPA and IoT integration. Smart manufacturing. In manufacturing, IoT sensors monitor equipment. They detect anomalies and provide real-time performance data. RPA can process this data and automatically schedule maintenance activities. Supply chain management. IoT devices track shipments and monitor inventory levels. RPA complements this by automating tasks such as pre-ordering inventory when levels fall below a threshold. Healthcare automation. IoT devices monitor patient vitals, track medical equipment, and manage medication inventory. RPA bots use this data to schedule appointments automatically. Smart buildings and facilities management. IoT devices manage energy consumption, monitor HVAC systems, and detect security breaches. RPA automates generating energy usage reports. Retail and e-commerce. IoT enabled smart shelves and tracking devices monitor customer behavior and inventory. RPA enhances this by automating tasks like replenishing shelves. Energy and utilities. IoT devices monitor energy consumption and predict demand patterns. RPA automates adjusting supply based on demand forecasts. The future of RPA and IoT integration. As RPA and IoT tech evolve, their integration will spark new innovations and efficiencies. Emerging trends like edge computing, 5G, and AI will boost RPA IoT systems. Early adopters of this convergence will gain a competitive edge. They will become industry leaders. Conclusion. In conclusion, the combination of RPA and IoT is a powerful enabler of smarter workflows. By leveraging both technologies, businesses can be more responsive. They can optimize resources and create a seamless ecosystem.